Honda is bringing the Element back as an affordable hybrid vehicle. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Honda aims to debut the revived model in 2029 to take on the Ford Bronco Sport. The new compact hybrid SUV would sit between the HR-V and CR-V in the company's lineup. Honda is interested in the recent popularity of smaller, off-road capable vehicles like the Bronco. Currently, the company offers trail sport trims of the CR-V and Passport on the smaller side, plus rugged versions of the Pilot and Ridgeline for full-size SUV and truck lovers. Honda reportedly plans to build a hybrid Element at its Ohio factory and hopes to sell about 100,000 in the first full year of sales. Honda discontinued the Element in 2011 after years of declining sales. Though the small SUV developed a cult following and you can still spot lots of them on the road, the interior has no carpet, which makes it great for cleanup. The rear seats fold flat for camping, fold against the sides for hauling small loads, or can be removed entirely with ease. Plus, the versatile back row setup makes the vehicle well suited for a variety of tasks. If Honda actually positions the hybrid Element between its HR-V and CR-V, the starting price could be in the $30,000 to $35,000 range. Honda spokesperson said in a statement that the Honda Element has maintained a cult following since it was discontinued in 2011 and hopes its possible return continues to circulate online. He said, "We sincerely appreciate the enthusiasm for the Element, but we're not going to engage in speculation about our future product plans." So there's still a lot under wraps about this vehicle, but it sure is a good news for Honda Element fans. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.